Now, gentlemen, this is the Yoruba man that has come to Dubai to promote our culture, to introduce Yoruba to Dubai. Yes. Now we are going to sing our national anthem together.
From Nigeria, yes.
We are no longer part of Nigeria. We have now become a sovereign state, sovereign country called Yoruba Nation. Yeah? You see this cap? You see? It says Yoruba Royal Golden Stars. Yeah? You see? So this man, Kashisha Kajola Ìṣọ̀kan àtòmìnira ní kẹjẹ ká máa lépa tẹ̀síwájú ọ̀pọ̀ ire àtòhun tó dára ọmọ Oòduà dìde bọ́ sí ipò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀ àwa ní ìmọ́lẹ̀ ògo gbogbo adúláwọ̀ pátápátá. Yoruba Nation recognition. When I say Yoruba Nation, you say recognition. Yoruba Nation recognition. Yoruba Nation recognition. Kashisha Kajola. Hey, this is wonderful. This is a brilliant day. Thank you. Wow. We're going to put this on our YouTube so they will know you. You become famous, all of you. Yes. You get more customers come here. If you promise to sing Yoruba Nation to Yoruba, they will all come here.
Yeah? Tell them the Safari Desert, we're going to tag them, tag your place here. So people will come in.
Kashisha Kajola Ìṣọ̀kan àtòmìnira ní kẹjẹ ká máa lépa tẹ̀síwájú fọ̀pọ̀ ire àtòhun tó dára ọmọ Oòduà dìde bọ́ sí ipò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀ àwa ní ìmọ́lẹ̀ ògo gbogbo adúláwọ̀ pátápátá. Yoruba Nation recognition. Yoruba Nation recognition. All right. Yes, my brother. Thank you.